everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. I was finally able to finish my tassel that I was trying to show you all how I created for Beebeecraft. This is the one that I created first, and then I was going to show you how I made this one here. And what I did was I used this jewelry making kit with these awesome beads. Now these awesome beads came with a bunch of charms and also the crystal string that I used. I also used some of the spider web and spider charms that I have gotten previously from Beebeecraft. I did put something different on here. I did use these little spacer bead bindings. I used the copper, this copper color, and this pewter color to make those. And I'm almost thinking that these would be awesome to use as shaker bits to put in your shakers. I think I'm going to try that next. So this is the finished tassel that I created. And I used the beads, and then there's the tree. And then this is what I was struggling with at the end of my tutorial. So what I did was I created this little dangle with the spider web and the spider on this. And then on the spacer beads, I just used, let me get it out here. I used those. And then I put that little hand there. So I thought this would be super cute to put like maybe on a tag, or you could put this on a, I don't know, you could do it on a pocket letter just to put it like on a tassel. But I wanted to come on and show you guys. I finally got it. I didn't want you guys to have to suffer through watching me trying to put the beads on the string, but I just think these turned out super cute. I love them. So thank you, Beebeecraft, for sending me these awesome goodies to play with. And you guys don't forget, I've got a discount code in the box below. And also that if you have 100 subscribers or more, I will leave that link down below. And you can contact Beebeecraft and they can get in touch with you with maybe showcasing some of their products. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.